Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 1 number systems. Locate root 2 on the number line. So root 2 is a irrational number. So whenever it is an irrational number, then we cannot directly mention in the number line. So for that we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, so whenever we have base as well as height, that is we have to consider the right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle where we have base here, height here, and this one is the hypotenuse. So this is base, this is height, and this one is the hypotenuse. Or another way we can say that it is adjacent side, opposite side, and hypotenuse. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that hypotenuse it is equal to root of base square plus height square. So this is the formula for the Pythagoras theorem. So using this Pythagoras theorem only, we are going to locate root 2 on the number line. So how we are going to locate? For that we are going to write root 2 in the form of the Pythagoras theorem. That is, we need to consider hypotenuse as root 2. So whenever we are considering hypotenuse is equal to root 2, then we have to mention this root 2 in the form of square root of base square plus height square. So how we can write? Generally, so root of, what we have? Root of 2. So 2 I can write it as what? 1 plus 1, right? So in simple I can write 2 as 1 plus 1, or else we can write 2 as also 0 plus 2. But again, whenever one digit is 0, we cannot measure 0 here as one side, right? So this is not possible. So only the possibility it is 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. So whenever 2 is equal to 1 plus 1, and again this 1 plus 1 I need to mention as b square plus h square. So how I can write? So this, since it is 1, I can represent it as 1 square. So what is 1 square? 1 square is also what? 1. 1 square it is 1 into 1. Anyway, 1 into 1 it is 1. Similarly, this one is also I can represent as 1 square. Why? Because 1 square is 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So root 2 I can mention it as what? 1 plus 1 in simple, which is nothing but root of 1 square plus 1 square. Okay, so now compare this one and this one. So I am taking hypotenuse is equal to root 2, and this value it is root of 1 square plus 1 square. What is root of 1 square plus 1 square? One value it is base square, one value it is height square. So comparing this and this. So comparing this and this, what I can write? B is equal to, that is b square equal to 1 square. So just b, it is nothing but 1, because square root of b square is b, square root of 1 square is 1. So similarly, I can write h square. What is h square? H square is 1 square. So square root of h square is h, square root of 1 square is 1. So what I have determined? Base is equal to 1, height is equal to 1. So using this, what I am going to do means I am going to take or draw the line with the base is equal to 1 and height is equal to 1. And then once I have drawn this, I can join this point and this point, and then that value definitely it is equal to what? Root 2 what I have mentioned here. So that is what I am going to do now. So take a scale as well as a pencil, okay, and just draw the points on as a number line. So just take the number line with the dotted lines as this, okay, and then just measure 1 centimeter. Why? Because the base value is 1, height is also 1. So just measure 1 centimeter. So at 0 you just put a point, at 1 you just put a point. Just join these two dots. Okay. So now let me consider this is as base. So base is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So once we have done that, we need to draw height. Height is equal to 1 centimeter. So for that, since it is a right angle triangle, here it is 90 degree, right? So we need to measure 90 degree and then we need to measure around 1 centimeter and we need to make a point. So use a protractor. So the center point. So this is the center point of the protractor. So this point I need to keep here. So exactly keep that point at that particular value and then just mark 90 degree at the top. So just connect this point. So this is already measured one, this point and this point in a dotted line. And once you have connected, measure 1 centimeter. Okay. So just measure 1 centimeter here and then put a dot. Okay. So now join these two dots which is of 1 centimeter. So now this is nothing but height is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So if you want to mention the sides, right? So this I can take it as O. This I can take it as A. This I can take it as B. Okay. So just mention the points as different index, right? So O, A, B I have mentioned. So now just join the dots O as well as B. Nothing but OB it forms. Okay. Just connect OB. So what is this value actually? This is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse it is nothing but root 2. So this value, whenever if you take here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter, definitely the hypotenuse it will be of root 2 centimeter. So now root 2 we have obtained as this measurement, right? So now take that as radius and draw the arc on the number line. So keep the compass at O and then measure the radius OB. Okay, measure the radius OB. So now this OB is nothing but root 2. Then correspondingly you have to put a arc on the number line. Okay, and the number line measure this radius and then on the number line from the origin you put the arc like this. So once the arc has been formed, right? So just connect the line. So now this point is nothing but P. So we can take this point as P. This point is nothing but root 2. Okay, so P value is nothing but root 2. So we have measured root 2 properly. So if you want you can measure by using the scale also. So what you are finding out? So if you measure here, right? So from 0 if you take, so it is coming around 1 point nearby to 5, right? So 1.5 nearby the value is nothing but root 2. Okay. So if you want you can check with the calculator also. So in the calculator if you have checked, just put root 2. Root 2 is equal to 1.414. Okay. So this 1.414 and it is a continuously going, right? So it is a never ending as well as it is non-repeating. Hence the term root 2 it is nothing but irrational number. So this type of irrational number we cannot mention by P by Q. That is as that of your rational number we cannot mention your root 2. So only the format, easy format to represent root 2 is by using your Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So now as I said it should be somewhat around 1.414. So if you measure that it will be coming nearby to 1.5. Okay. So it is nothing but 1.414. By measuring the value also we can easily find out that we have marked it properly on the number line. Okay, so like this only we have to locate root 2 on the number line. Thank you. Thanks for watching.